This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Lainey Scott. Gorgeous custom-built home in highly sought-after Lake Ridge situated on 0.64-acre corner lot west 2-car garage plus separate 1-car garage on side. Features to include spacious open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, stone and brick fireplace, iron balusters, crown molding, neutral paint, terrazzo stone, gleaming hardwoods, decorative lighting and more. Private master suite down west coffee bar, sitting area, separate shower and double vanities. Great kitchen west stainless steel appliances, double oven, built-in microwave, island west sink, granite and loads of custom cabinets. Upstairs features 3 spacious bdrms and large media room. This property may qualify for Seller Financing VENDEE.